Coming up, Sioux Falls Mayor Paul Tenaiken gives us an update on how the city is dealing with COVID-19.
And the Sturgis motorcycle rally has come to an end. How the community is working to get back to normal after a drastic influx in population. Good morning, this is KELOLAND on the go with all you need to know in news and weather as you start your day.
The number of active cases of COVID-19 went up again in South Dakota. As of Monday morning, the state health department reported nearly 1,200 active cases. Health officials confirmed 86 new positive cases.
However, the number of people in the hospital went down to 60. 74 more people also recovered from COVID-19. The health department also did not report any new deaths.
Since the pandemic started, more than 10,300 people have tested positive for the coronavirus. However, more than 9,000 have recovered. New numbers are expected later this morning.
When it comes to dealing with COVID-19 in Sioux Falls, the mayor says we're doing a good job.
He encourages people to wear masks, but he won't make it mandatory. He says the city closely watches the numbers, and right now they don't warrant any mandatory restrictions.
Our positivity rate has increased the last couple weeks. Our hospitalization rate has been very steady.
Tenaiken says the number of hospitalizations is the one key factor in his decision making.
If you'd like to take a closer look at the numbers as they relate to COVID-19 in the city, we've posted a link to the city's website under this story right here on KELOLAND.com. A top leader in the South Dakota State Legislature is voicing his support for a special session to decide how the state should spend millions of dollars in federal COVID-19 aid.
House Speaker Stephen Haugard sent a letter to the governor that contains 46 signatures from representatives who want a say in how the money is used. KELOLAND Capitol News Bureau reporter Bob Mercer has a closer look at what it would take to prompt a special session. You can find that on our website right now.
Well, turning to weather now, 90s are set to return in parts of KELOLAND this week.
That's right. Let's find out how hot it could get with meteorologist Brian Karstens.
Yeah, definitely hot enough, I'm sure, for some of you. 97 today in Rapid City. Now, as that heat comes east, it is triggering some thunderstorm activity this morning. We've had a batch of rain right around the pier area and close to winter, and we continue to watch where those storms are. And again, some of these rain total numbers, they don't look too impressive, but if you dig a little deeper, you'll find a few spots even northeast of Pier, maybe just west of Blunt, an inch or two of rain in some of those local cells. So be aware that we'll probably see more of that as time goes on the next 24 hours farther east. We'll explore that and your 7-day forecast coming up in just a few minutes.
Thanks a lot, Brian. The 80th Sturgis Motorcycle Rally is now in the books. The 9-day event that wrapped up over the weekend was the largest gathering nationwide since the start of the coronavirus pandemic.
While attendance was slightly down from last year, hundreds of thousands of people still turned out for the annual event. Now businesses and residents in Sturgis are starting to get back to normal.
As far as the rally itself, it's as every year. It comes, you worry about it being here, it's gone, it's over and gone. Now it's back to life as a simple little 6,000, 7,000 people town.
The city of Sturgis is hosting mass COVID-19 testing, which will happen roughly 4 to 7 days after the rally. Now that Sturgis has wrapped up, many KELOLAND school districts are gearing up for the start of school. With the pandemic, many schools are implementing additional protocols to help mitigate the spread of COVID-19.
Representative Dusty Johnson stopped by Madison Elementary School to get a first-hand look at what the school is doing to help keep students and staff safe and to find out what Congress can do to help.
I think everybody understands that there does need to be additional education dollars in there. This sort of experience really helps me better understand exactly what should be the role of the federal government. Obviously, we want decisions made at the local level. We want these people in charge, but Congress can help.
At the elementary school, the district has added plexiglass on shared tables, arrow markings on the floors, and additional hand sanitizer.
When Sioux Falls students head back to school next week, they will also notice a lot of changes. On Monday, Superintendent Jane Stavum met virtually with the Sioux Falls Downtown Rotary to discuss the Return to Learn plan.
She says the district spent $7 million on school modifications, cleaning products, and other items. She says the cost could go up.
One of the tricky things about this is we don't know what the duration of this is. So as you buy masks so that nobody goes without a mask, and you buy cleaning solution, and you buy equipment to make a divider, we don't know how long we're going to need those things. We don't know if it's, 6 months, is it 2 years, or is it, what time duration?
School starts next week, and the district is still looking to hire teachers for its virtual academy as well as substitute teachers. And let's look at some of our top stories.
Now let's get one last look at your weather with meteorologist Brian Karstens.
All right, weather it is, and we find a few thunderstorms this morning. Central South Dakota, they are continuing to press here to the south and to the southeast here a little bit, and Sioux Falls could generate a little rain here yet this afternoon. I'm starting to look at that a little bit more as a possibility, and we'll continue to follow those elements even tonight as this little parade of smaller systems, some widely scattered thunderstorms comes in. So we've kind of put in a 20% chance of rain as a result of that. And then tomorrow, probably a little less signature of rain in the morning, but we're in a pattern that even by the time we get to Thursday and Friday, we might be able to generate a few more isolated cells on radar. And in particular, the Friday forecast looks a little bit better than it did yesterday. So we'll keep watching that. But, you know, it's hard to pluck a lot of rain out of this 7-day forecast. It's spots here and there, and a lot of this forecast is warmer than normal. We're in the upper 80s. Lows tonight in the middle to upper 60s. Aberdeen getting to that 90-degree mark a couple different times here. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday in the lower 90s. And Pierre in central South Dakota, middle and upper 90s, likely for several days. That's hot weather. And Rapid City in the west, highs in the lower to middle 90s. So definitely warming up and staying hot in the 7-day. Check out details here at KETTLELAND.com and have a great Tuesday.